Hello, adab, sat sri akal, namaskar, and a very good afternoon to all you happy people. Today, we come to you from Bhopal, and this is my story. As Peter Baker once said, when it comes to cars, there are only two varieties of people possible: the cowards and the fools. And unfortunately, I qualify in the latter half, which is that of fools. तो साहब ये गाड़ी भी मेरी है, ये कहानी भी मेरी है, इसके रेस्टोरेशन का दर्द भी मेरा है और ये यादें भी मेरी हैं. सो दिस इज द स्टोरी ऑफ अ लेजेंड. ये आपकी यादें ताज़ा कर देगी, रोंगटे खड़े हो जाएंगे. वो जो फीलिंग होती है नॉस्टैल्जिया की, या कि ये दूल्हे की भी सवारी थी और इसमें आप बच्चे अपने जब हुए थे उनको घर लेके आए थे, ये सारी फीलिंग्स शादी के लिए जब मंडप पे गए थे तो ये लेके इसी गाड़ी में गए थे, ये सारी जो नॉस्टैल्जिक फीलिंग है ये आपको ज़रूर आएगी when we show you this magnificent restoration which is done right here in Bhopal and taken the grand total of 2 years as of today. So here she is, the 40-year-old beauty, and she is absolutely beautiful, and this is why she's called Padmini. Padmini was a 14th century Rajput princess, the one who sits on a lotus. So she was a style icon of her time, and from film stars to politicians to businessmen, everyone wanted to own a Premier Padmini. So manufactured by Premier Automobiles Limited, which is why it's called, got the tag of PAL over here. The manufacturing started in 76 and stopped in 2000. Some things never go out of style. And when you see this, it brings a feeling of nostalgia that I want to drive this, I want to drive this. My father had one. The number was MPB 7111. And we used to long to get into it and go for drives. It's good for 5, but 6 fit easily. And during her time, there were only 2 other cars which would barely compete. One was the Hindustan Ambassador, and the second was the Standard Herald. So this one has been restored back to its absolute original form. No modification or anything has been made. It's been restored at Variety Motors in Bhopal. If you see, each and everything has been painstakingly put together. The car is in absolutely beautiful shape. We will show you the insides up close and personal, just to show you the lines and how they've done the job, the paint job. Everything is just immaculately put together. It looks absolutely magnificent, as I told you from before. We will drive the car, we will take you around. So just once more, that you can admire this beauty before we move inside. Just see how beautifully the lines are done. That's the doors, heavy as hell, all metal. If you see, the dash is metal, which you don't find nowadays. The odometer, so simple. You've got a temperature gauge, you've got a fuel gauge, and the speedometer. This did go up to 130 kilometers an hour. The interiors in burgundy trim. You see the flaps, that's to close the doors. That's how it works. And a very simple dash, the old-fashioned ashtray. And there's one at the back. This was to keep your belongings. The mats, you've got the handbrake over here, all very nicely restored to its original form. Close that. Coming, this is what I meant. So you've got an ashtray at the back, very comfortable, and the doors, etc. All the lines have been attached. The chrome is back to its original form. To show you everything here. There you go. That's the beauty she is, looking spectacular. Frontal shot, uh, the grill, where you can see the PAL, which stands for Premier Automobiles Limited. This is a beautiful job done of restoring it back. So I'd like to show you the inside also, just for you to get an idea of how neatly the restoration work has been done. Everything is back to its original form. You can see the plates over here. Focus in, yeah. So this is a March 1980. So she's approximately 40 plus years old, and as she's been restored, she actually looks like a new bride, as you can see over here. And 1100 cc, producing the power of approximately 47 horses. So she's pretty mean. Okay, so we've got a old-fashioned glove compartment over here, all metal. We'll start the car. You saw that? It's beautiful purring of the engine. Here we go. The old Fiat sound, which is so beautiful to hear. It just brings back so many memories of yesteryear, or when you used to go for drives, and we are just exiting and taking you for a small drive to show you how this actually works. And can you show it here? Here you go. Take a full U-turn and we're back. Here's the engine. It's pulling. Just to give you a feel of how these old machines performed, and these used to rule the roads in the past, and 6 people, 7 people with carriers. They used to be the black and yellow taxis of Bombay, and popularly known as the Fiat. We've still been referring to it as the Premier Padmini, but it was produced under a license given by Fiat Italy, and truly it's an iconic car which brings back so many memories. और आप लोग भी देखेंगे जब ये ड्राइव मैं ले रहा हूँ कि किसी ना किसी की कहानी किसी तरह ये गाड़ी से ज़रूर जुड़ी होगी, और वो जो मशी फीलिंग होती है वो ज़रूर आएगी when you see this drive and enjoy it. तो साहब ये थी कहानी इस फिएट प्रीमियर पद्मिनी की। मेरा दावा है कि आप लोगों को देख के बहुत खुशी होगी, आपकी कोई ना कोई कहानी इससे ज़रूर जुड़ी होगी, भले ही वो बीवी की हो, माँ बाप की हो, सबकी हो। इसी on this note, I would like to say goodbye. A very happy Diwali, Dhanteras, and I wish you all the best. It's the win of good over evil, and as I said in the beginning, to restore a car, you either need to be a coward or a fool, and I'm happy that I am the fool that has restored this. It is my pride and joy. So, adab, sat shri akal, namaskar, khush rahiye, आबाद rahiye, and I sign off. If you enjoy it, press the subscribe button. Shab Bakhair, good night, and have a lovely evening, all you happy people.